Welcome to Innovian Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a quick and traditional Bengali favorite, Instant Rice Chitai Pitha. Soft, light and perfect for breakfast or evening snacks. This pitha is made with just a few simple ingredients and no fermentation. First take 1 cup atop chal or any rice. And soak it in water for 2 hours. Always soak the rice properly for a smooth batter, like dosa batter. Wash it well and pour it into a blender. Add 3 tablespoons grated coconut, 1/3 cup water, then blend until smooth. Chitai Pitha is one of the oldest traditional rice cakes of Bengal. It is commonly served during winter mornings. This pitha needs no fermentation, making it super quick. Transfer the batter to a bowl. Now add 2 cups warm water gradually. And mix to get a thin pouring consistency. Rice provides quick energy for the day. Coconut adds healthy fats and great flavor. Heat a pan and grease it lightly with oil. Lightly greasing the pan keeps the pitha soft and intact. Removing the excess. Pour the batter gently and cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until the pitha sets and turns soft and fluffy. No flipping needed. Your instant Chitai Pitha is ready to serve. This recipe is naturally gluten-free. Use medium heat to avoid burning the bottom. It tastes amazing with jaggery, honey or even spicy bharta. Light, steam-style cooking makes it easy to digest. Your soft, warm and instant rice Chitai Pitha is ready. Perfect with jaggery, honey or your favorite bharta. Do you like Chitai Pitha sweet or spicy? Like the video, follow the page and subscribe for more traditional and easy homemade recipes.